This urgent appeal to solicit support for the victims of the killer Typhoon Yolanda is being coordinated by the Cordillera People's Alliance, the Kalipunan ng mga tutubong mamamayan sa Pilipinas, the Asia Pacific Indigenous Youth Network, and Bagong Alyansang Makabayan. Overseas, we have requested our partners and friends to coordinate this campaign, such as Land is Life, in our behalf in the US.
Super Typhoon Yolanda hit the central Philippines and caused a lot of damages to the lives, livelihood, and properties of the Filipino people. Among the affected are the indigenous peoples in the islands of Panay, Mindoro, and Palawan. At least 50 indigenous communities of Tumandok, Ati, Hanunuo, Buhid, Bangon, Alangan, and Tagbanwa were directly affected by the typhoon. Houses were destroyed by the strong winds and falling trees, and other houses and communities were flooded. In Tapaz, about 80 to 100% of the houses have been destroyed. The indigenous people's crops and farms were also devastated. Some villages are impassable because of landslides and debris blocking the roads. Their islands in the province of Palawan are inaccessible because all their boats were destroyed. An initial estimate of 11,627 families coming from various indigenous groups in Luzon and Visayas are currently in need of support.
We are urgently appealing for your support and solidarity to help our people in dire need at this time of disaster and emergency. We are in need of cash, canned goods, drinking water, tents, mosquito nets, mats, clothing, blankets, pump boats, materials for rehabilitation like iron sheets, nails, and lumber.
In times like this, let us be one in helping our sisters and brothers. We are one in serving the people.